This is my saber here. It's fun to build. A lot of you be familiar with the shroud design. Black powder coated, fluted section, blade holder. A lot of work into the saber. This is a Hyperblade version 2 LED blue with a Hyperblade SD Sound card. Has accent LEDs, a blue anti-vandal with a ring. It has a kill key and a crystal chamber core. You can see the accent LEDs lit up, anti-vandal lit up. You can see the blue crystal chamber core. This has a 11-volt battery in it. Go ahead and power it up. Many options on the LED board as far as core pulse, flicker, sound card. Has force, clash, of course, swing. You also can put your own startup sound. I chose Darth Vader, even though it's blue, just because I like Darth Vader. Who don't? Very bright. This is on level brightness, I think 3 or 4. So they can go twice as bright, 3 times brighter actually. But I choose to do this for battery saver, and the movie flicker and the core pulse shows up better at a lower visual setting. Small speaker hole, so the sound is deep and robust. And that is the saber.